When it comes time to leave the road, you want to be ready to roll with the best, most durable equipment an off-road warrior can own. Introducing Schutt Industries XVENTURE Severe Duty Trailers. Nothing else on the consumer market even comes close to the quality, strength, durability, and world-class performance that you'll find in one of our trailers. Here's why. XVENTURE chassis is the same design we use on our light tactical military line of trailers. Our XVENTURE trailers were taken through rigorous testing at the U.S. Army's Aberdeen Proving Ground in Maryland, subjected to unbelievable levels of stress. And you know what? We passed those tough military-grade tests. How did we do that? Virtually all other consumer trailers on the market today are welded together using 1 to 2 inch steel tubing. Not ours. We use a 2.5 by 3.5 inch walled aluminum tubing that's 1/4 inch thick. We assemble our trailers using the revolutionary huck bolt system from Alcoa. That means each individual fastener provides 5,000 pounds of bonding strength, and we use more than 300 huck bolts in our chassis assembly. Your trailer will be substantially more resistant to vibration and flex fatigue than a trailer with a welded assembly. Additionally, you'll know your trailer will look good for years to come because our structure is finished with an ultra-durable polyurea Line-X coating, regarded as one of the most scratch and chip-resistant finishes available today. XVENTURE's chassis comes with a 10-year warranty to be free from failure caused by manufacturer's defect, and we've never had a chassis fail. But we know you're not just looking for great performance. You want cool features too. Use the chef's galley table to cook up the catch of the day, gourmet style. A hard rolling tonneau cover protects your gear from the elements. The XVENTURE trailer includes ultra bright LED lights and can be equipped with an auxiliary cargo bed, rack, and underbody lighting for up to 360 degrees of lighting coverage. Our armor-plated food-grade water tank carries 22 gallons and includes a water heater. And the XVENTURE's utility cabinet, which is made with aircraft-grade aluminum and coated inside and out, makes it extremely resistant to scratching or surface wear and protects your most sensitive cargo. This compartment also houses the trailer power control center and comes ready for an easy installation of the most popular deep cycle batteries, inverters, and RV-style portable power systems without the need for custom wiring modifications. The best part? You get to choose the trailer model that works best for your adventures. The XV2 takes things to the next level with an elevating rack system that lets you equip your trailer with a rooftop tent, while still letting you use the entire cargo bed for larger items like your ATVs and motorbikes. Our new, smaller XV3 is designed to be lightweight for today's SUVs, Jeeps, and Toyotas with up to 1,500-pound payload capacities. Yet the XV3 retains the maximum functionality and features you seek in an adventure trailer. XV Flat Deck. The XV Flat Deck is designed to be the ultimate toy hauling trailer. You can haul a 4-person side-by-side utility vehicle with ease, taking you wherever the road can take you and beyond. Once you see and try our new XVENTURE trailers, you'll know that you're looking at something in an entirely different league. Tens of thousands of these chassis perform all over the world in the harshest environments that exist. So we're ready for any rough and ready off-road adventure you can come up with. Our skilled and dedicated hometown workers are ready to build your trailer at our manufacturing facility in Wisconsin. XVENTURE is a game changer. When you stack it all up, this is one incredible vehicle. XVENTURE from Schutt Industries. Behind you, all the way.